Hey everyone, it's Michelle and thank you so much for being here in my channel. I'm a procrastinator when it comes to gifts and also a procrastinator when it comes to Vlogmas. If you're still out there shopping, I'm gonna give you my list of cozy gifts that range from $10 to $500. I wanna thank all you guys for subscribing this year. It's really been a great year for me. And I wanna thank all of my sponsors who help make my channel possible. Yes, it definitely helps fund my channel, as well as when you shop from my affiliate links. I thank you guys so much. So some of these products in here are sponsored, and to tell you the truth, I only take sponsors if I know it will benefit me and my viewer. And you know how sometimes you get a gift and you're like, okay, maybe it will be so-so, it'll be whatever, and then you really love it. So some of those things I'm gonna share with you here today. I wanted to make this budget list because gift giving is always stressful. Some of these items too, I took with me on a trip last month to Little Rock, Arkansas. So I'm happy to report that you can actually also travel with these cozy items that I'm going to share with you today. First on my list in the $10 range are these cute fuzzy slippers from Target. $10. Okay, can't go wrong with those. They've got traction at the bottom. I chose pink. I've also seen them in tan, black, and red, and there's probably other colors too, but they're going quick. Now you can actually put these together and put them in your suitcase. So yes, she is going to travel with me, whether I'm going to, like my parents' house have really cold floors, so I need my slippers there, or if you're going to stay in a hotel room, sometimes you don't know how clean the floor is, okay? I hate walking barefoot in a hotel room that I'm not familiar with. Easy gift, everyone loves slippers. Next on the list, this is going to be in the $50 range, and it is a faux mink blanket. This blankie was actually the wedding favor at the wedding. It got a little cold that day, so people were fighting over the blankets, and I got one. Yay. There's a whole story about that, but I'll save that for another show. I already have my fuzzy Pottery Barn blanket right here. This one is on the sofa, so I thought, okay, well, if I don't get a blanket, I'm not gonna be too sad over it. But anyways, I got one. So this one goes in the bedroom. My daughter loves sleeping with it. Now I'm just convinced you can never have too many faux mink blankets. They're so luxurious and they're really not that expensive. I found a similar one to this on Amazon that I'm going to link below. With that, slippers, blankie, pillow. This pillow was sent to me by this company, Cat Belly. Okay, this is one of those things I didn't know I would love so much. It's like a little kidney bean shape, but isn't that cute? It's just so cute. Look at how I'm squeezing it because it is a polyurethane memory foam pillow made with German technology. Look how thin it is. This will cradle and rock your head. Because of this pillow, I got rid of my super bulky Tempur-Pedic heavy pillow. I got rid of that thing, and now both me and my daughter sleep on this at night. It's our primary pillow, and it's so comfortable. I did bring this in my suitcase. It rolls up and fits in this satin bag, and this is how they'll ship it to you, in this satin bag. So it's not as bulky as you think it would be. Now, pillows are super important when you're traveling. I used to travel a lot for work. I want to make sure I get a good night's sleep, and that weekend in Arkansas, oh my God, I slept 2 nights in a row, 8 hours. That never happens. That was my best sleep all year. If you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. Again, it's called Cat Belly because it feels like the soft underbelly of a kitty. Isn't that cute? It comes in pink, yellow, and lavender. This cover here is removable. See, there's a zipper here. You can remove it and wash it. And it also fits a standard pillowcase. So I keep her in my Blissy pillowcase right here. The silk is good for your skin and your hair. It prevents it from getting frizzy. So go ahead and put another pillowcase, you know, to match your decor. That will run you about $100, and there is a coupon code for Cat Belly pillows in the description. Next cozy gift, skincare. I know it's hard to gift skincare. but you can gift me skincare because my skincare is always super expensive. I'm super sensitive. I don't like fragrances. My skin has eczema. I react to a lot of things. I'm allergic to Christmas. I'm allergic to Christmas trees and scented candles and all that stuff. So anyways, when I was traveling and on the airplane, your skin gets very stressed because you're dehydrated and the air is recycled, the air is cold, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, Factor 5 has saved my skin. So this particular product, it's called Nourishing Silk. Factor 5 is created with human stem cell factors. Don't freak out. What does that mean? I don't know what it means, but it works, okay? This is anti-inflammatory. So if you have sensitive and eczema skin like me, you need this stuff. It's fragrance-free. I went through one bottle and immediately ordered another one. It's a bit on the pricey side. It's about $180, but with my coupon, it's $20 off and well worth it. Made in the USA, formulated without paraben, mineral oil, sulfate detergents, phthalates, urea, DEA, or TEA, and not tested on animals. All I know is that it works. You just need a little bit. I'll just put a little bit in those areas where I get really itchy, scratchy, irritated. Okay, next on the list, I always take jewelry sponsors. I love jewelry. I love costume jewelry. It is just easier to wear and lower maintenance than fine jewelry. Of course, I love fine jewelry too, but like I said, higher maintenance. This particular necklace is from Shesaidyes. And you guys, doesn't it look like fine jewelry? The sparkle and shine of this thing is amazing. The new trend in jewelry is lab-created gems. So less carbon waste, less carbon footprint on the environment, no digging, they're created in the lab. These are so much better than this cubic zirconias that we saw in the 80s and 90s, okay? These have real sparkle and they look amazing. I get compliments on this all the time. So with this company, Shesaidyes, you can go onto their website, choose necklaces, bracelets, rings. You can choose the metal, whether it's going to be 10K, 14K, or 18K, white, rose, or gold. I wanted a mini version of the Titanic necklace. So here she is. I picked a sapphire and white crystals surrounding in the halo. You can also pick the colors of the halo. So everything is customizable, and that's super special when you're buying jewelry for someone. If you're not ready to spend over $2,000, this necklace will run you about $500. And like I said, lab-created jewelry, it's less maintenance, less worry than wearing fine jewelry, and less money, easier on your pockets. Okay, my last two gift-giving ideas. Just because my channel is about Louis Vuitton and handbags. So here are my two recommendations. You can go to Louis Vuitton and purchase a perfume for less than $500. It comes in this cylindrical case. So this one is my favorite. It's Les Sables Roses from the Oud collection. It will run you, I believe now it's $380, and you can also engrave the initials of your recipient. Once the bottle is engraved though, you cannot return it. Another thing, once you open the cellophane on the package, you cannot return it. If you do not know if your recipient likes the scent, they give you a little tester spray. It's about this big. Have the recipient try that one before you open the package, because then you're stuck with it forever. But anyways, yes, it is possible to spend less than $500, and I highly recommend a perfume over buying one of those little key fobs, because for the money, I really think your perfume is going to take you a longer way. For the handbag lover, okay, there's not going to be anything less than $500 at Vuitton in terms of handbags. Trust me, people have asked. It doesn't exist. But you can get this full grain leather from Teddy Blake. It is so beautiful, you guys. I get so many compliments on this bag. This is the 9-inch Kim. She's a top handle bag, some say inspired by the Kelly, so I call her Felly. She's my fake Kelly, and she looks expensive. When I am holding her, people think I am holding an expensive bag. She's in the contemporary price range. I believe this one is going to cost you just above $400. Again, I have a coupon code and everything everything, you can find those links below. But literally, she has been my favorite handbag. And if you want a pop of color, this one comes in so many colors, or you can just change the color of the bandeau. So anyways, if you're a last minute shopper, I hope you've enjoyed some of my suggestions. Happy holidays, and thank you guys again for being a subscriber. I wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate. Enjoy the holidays, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.